What's up, guys? Thank you guys for coming back today for another one of my videos. I appreciate you guys tapping in on me. Today, guess what we're doing? Rib tips. Beautiful nuggets of goodness that come off the top breast portion of the ribs, spare ribs. These are delicious. If you don't know about rib tips, you really need to get tapped in because rib tips are phenomenal. And if you're doing catering or you're selling food for consumers and you're cutting that breastbone part off of the rib, this is a great portion of the rib to sell to make a good piece of profit. 2 profits off 1 piece of meat, and that's the rib. So y'all get ready and tap in. It's rib tip time, baby. Stay tuned. Yeah, boy. All right, folks, we got it here. I'm gonna go ahead and get these seasoned up with, of course, my seasoning, RGrill Party Dust, and then I'm gonna finish it off all over, dust it off all over. Then I'm gonna finish it off with some black pepper. I like to finish it off with black pepper everywhere. And that's it, man. And if you look at them, man, they're beautiful, man. And we're ready to go. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, boy. All right, guys, we got the fire lit. We're doing some lump charcoal and just some charcoal briquettes. Let's put them on. I mean, no special order. Matter of fact, just dump all of them on there. It don't even matter. Dump them on there, spread them out. Everybody's gonna get some coverage. And this char grill that we're doing right now is gonna be phenomenal on these ribs. And in the back to the left, if you look over there, that's just a piece of apple and hickory that I burned down. That's gonna add some beautiful color as well as some great flavor. And so you just spread it all around, man. We're char grilling, man. Char grilling rib tips, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Rib tips, baby. Little nuggets of goodness. Look at that. That's just the first set. Yeah, let's get in there a little bit. Yeah. This is what you're looking for. If you're gonna cook them individually, you're just trying to char them up real good. Get some good char on them, some good smoke. Good char, good smoke. And we're gonna take some of these off. Gonna wrap them up. Render out some fat. Where's the camera at? All right, just a little step that I do. I take some white vinegar and I'm just basically gonna drizzle it on top of them. And this is just right before I wrap it. I'm just gonna use this vinegar as a way to steam it, but also as to add a little bit of flavor. And that's it. Just gonna wrap them up, put them back on the grill, and we'll see at the end of see what the end results. All right, just removed them from the grill. Let's take the foil off and see what we got. All right, let's take a peek at one of them. Oh yeah, that's what you're looking for. Good and tender. That's what you're looking for. All of them look really good. But we're doing these Chicago style. And Chicago style, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Chicago style, you sauce them and char grill them. So that's what we're gonna do. So take your favorite barbecue sauce. Yeah, just be liberal with it, you know, much as you like. And then you gotta get in there with your gloves and work that sauce into them. If you don't like sauce, then of course skip this step. But to me, on a rib tip, this is the only time I want some sauce on my meat. And now the next step. Stay tuned. Next step. Let's char grill them. Let's take them and dump them back over that hot fire. And spread them out. I wish y'all could smell this. I wish y'all could smell this, man. Beautiful. And that's what you're gonna do. You're just gonna char grill them up on both sides. And we're using a combination of cowboy hardwood lump and cowboy hardwood briquettes. And that's what we're working with right now. And we're just gonna char them up. Come back in a minute. We're gonna flip them over, do the other side, and it's time to eat. Stay tuned. All right, let's see what we got. We're getting some nice char. Oh yeah, that's what you wanna see. Char that sauce in there, flip them over a few times, work that sauce in there. And this hardwood charcoal, along with that sauce, is gonna make for some beautiful, delicious eating. Ain't nothing like char grilling ribs over some charcoal or some lump. Yes, sir. About 2 more minutes, we'll be good to go. Stay tuned. This is when you need smell-o-vision. Man, if you could just smell it, man. It's something about when that heat hits that sugary, sweet barbecue sauce. It just does something to them. And to me, these rib tips, char grill like this, is right up there next to burn ends. You go to Chicago, St. Louis, places like that, rib tips are king. I grew up eating rib tips. I mean, we were eating rib tips instead of slabs. It's a great piece of meat. And so that's it. We're getting ready to take them off. It's time to eat. That is it. It's time to eat. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. Thanks for joining me today. Rib tips, baby. Rib tips. Look at that. Glazed up. Beautiful, man. So you know, as always, we got to try it, man. I want to try one that's got some gristle on it. Let's try this one right here. Yes, sir. Man, if you've never tried rib tips, give them a try. Next time you're cutting your ribs down a St. Louis cut, take the tip off, save them when you get enough of them, cut them up, char grill them. Some of the best eating you ever have off the rib, man. That's it. So as always, good food, good vibes. Thank y'all for checking me out. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check you later. Peace.